We will show you how to upgrade Ubuntu Linux to 26.4 in step-by-step. Just make sure to follow the steps in this exact order. First, right-click the desktop and open up the terminal. Type in sudo apt update and press enter. Type your user password and press enter. Type sudo apt upgrade. Type in Y and press enter. Type sudo apt auto remove. Type in Y and press enter. Type sudo apt full upgrade. Type sudo do release upgrade D. Type in Y and press enter. Type in Y and press enter again. This will take long, so be patient. Type in Y and press enter. All done.